We have this question, verify Clairaut theorem for f of x. F of x is equal to x times e to power minus s squared y squared. And then you know from the Clairaut theorem, this one must be equal to what? This one. And that's what we want to show. Let's differentiate. Let's get the f of x of this function. Okay, this function is a function of two variables, x and y. So let's get this one. So this involves a product rule. I'm going to differentiate this one. That's 1. Okay, and keep this one constant. Plus, I'm going to keep my s constant and differentiate the e function. And when you do e function, the e function will give you itself times derivative of the power respect to what? Respect to x. Okay, so if you differentiate this power respect to x, we're going to keep this y constant, y squared constant, and differentiate this one, and that will give us what? Minus what? Minus 2x. And that's giving us this one. So plus minus, that's minus. Repeat it again. For this side, I said you keep your s constants and you differentiate your e function respect to x partially. What you are doing here, your e function will give you your e function, okay, times derivative of this power, and this power is a product. One of them is a constant. Y squared is a constant, so you keep your y constant and differentiate what? X squared, and that'll be minus 2x. So minus 2x times x, that's a minus 2x squared. So that's the first differential. Then we need to differentiate that function we got now respect to y. To respect to y, do this one. So this will be equal to exponential times derivative of this power respect to y. That'll be what? You keep this one constant. That'll be minus 2x squared y. Keep your minus x squared constant. You differentiate your y. That's 2y. Let's now come back here and differentiate that respect to y. The minus is here, the 2x squared constant. I'm going to keep the 2x squared constant. Keep that one constant. Differentiate your y, which is what? Which is 2y. And you keep this one constant. So then the next thing to do now is to differentiate the e functions, while the remaining functions will be kept as a constant. E function, that's minus x squared y squared times derivative of this power. Okay, and that will be equal to what? You're keeping this one constant. You are differentiating y squared, so which will be equal to minus 2y x squared. So that was minus 2x squared y. So then you can open the brackets. The minus times plus, that's minus. Okay, but there's a minus here too. So times minus becoming plus. Okay, 2 times 2, that's 4. S squared is here. S squared is here, making x4. Making x4. Y squared is here. 1y is here, making y cube. Okay, the exponential. So we've gotten this one. So I want to get f subscript yx. So what I will do now, I'll start afresh, get the f subscript y. Go to the question, come here. Differentiate that respect to y. So that will be equal to, I'm taking this one constant, then I'm differentiating the e function. That's the e to power minus x squared y squared. Differentiate the power respect to y. So that will be equal to what? Why you keep this one constant? That will be equal to minus 2x squared y. That's this one times this one. That's minus 2x cubed y e to power minus x squared y squared. So let's now differentiate this one respect to x. Your 2 and y, they're constant. You're only differentiating x cubed, and that will give you minus 6x squared 3 times 2, and then the power minus 1 y. Why you keep this one constant? Then plus. Now keep this one constant. Your minus 2x cubed y. Keep it constant and differentiate this one respect to x. So if it's respect to x, we're keeping y squared constant. We're differentiating this one minus x squared. That's minus 2x. So I'm having times minus 2x squared e to power minus x squared y squared. So if you do the algebra, it's going to give you minus 6x squared y e to power minus x squared y squared. Then open your brackets. Minus times minus, that's plus. 2 times 2, that's 4. X cube is here. 1 is here, making x to power 4. Y is here. 1y is here. 2y is here, making y to power 3. Then e to power what? E to power minus x squared y squared. So, and if you come back here, if you these two, look at the variable. This is x squared y exponential, x squared y exponential. So we can, it's addable. This minus this, that's what? That's minus 6x squared y e to power what? Minus x squared y squared. Okay, so you can see that this confirm the Clairaut at fxy is equal to what? F subscript y. So that's that on the verify the Clairaut theorem. Okay, so the thing is that you must know how to differentiate partially, which is very simple. When you're differentiating with respect to x, the other variable will be kept constant. At this point, please kindly smash the watermarks of this video and subscribe so that anytime I upload, you get notified. Don't stop there. Click on like button and begin to type your comments. Okay. Finally, share the links of this video on all your social media platforms. Thank you for doing that.